So we have a range of support needs, right? The needs start from something very basic to something that is very complex in the need, right? We have different types of needs, like, for example, how do I get some people to sign up to a course, and how easy it is for me to do something through web form? Is that the right way to do it? Is there a better way of doing it? For example, in CRM, you want to know how to not have duplicate records. That's a very simple, but yes, it goes to the next level. You have some requirements that are a little more advanced in nature to more complex needs, like you want to know how to use workflows. You want to know what you have to do, the APIs. There are apps in the marketplace. There's so many more resources. These resources that enrich your entire experience of using Zoho, right? So a lot of users use probably the most basic out-of-the-box functions that we have in most of the services. But there are a lot more things that can really enrich your experience, right? So all these kind of requirements come to support. All of us need some kind of support. The good news, again, here is you're not alone. Whether it is a basic need or a little advanced need or much more complex needs, all of us fall into one of these three buckets. So how can these needs be fulfilled, right? So we have a lot of common business needs and some common emotional needs. You want service availability, you want value for your money, you want to know if you're doing this most effectively, you want validation, you want endorsement for the kind of activities that you do. You want to be sure you're doing it right. So there is one platform that can bring all the rookies and pros together, right? We all connect in one common platform where all these kinds of needs come together, and there are very good ways where we can find solutions. So I'd like to talk to you about Zoho Community as being that platform that can connect all of us online and offline. Right? There are about 400K conversations that have is happening on our online community. 400K, including all the conversations and responses that the peers have been engaging in. And over 100K members who actively participate, right? So this is across all the different Zoho products that we have. So here I'm telling you that there is a platform that we all can connect, which is the right place to start, right? So we have about 400K discussions. That is one of the biggest resources that will benefit anyone wanting to get on board and connect with the people and get answers to. Start following the conversations, search for answers. I'm sure, like I said, you're not alone. If you have had a question today, if you're looking for answers, you're not the first one to have that kind of question. 100, 1,000 others before you have had similar questions. Okay, be the first set of people to get updates and announcements on the releases. Ask questions if you have. I know a lot of people like to lurk, but it is fine. You can still search, follow conversations, but you can also ask your peers if you have any questions. Use and share the resources that we've been creating. We've been coming out with a lot of content initiatives that will help you maximize the use of all the products that we have in Zoho. And wherever you can, because you also get to ask questions and seek answers from the community, I think it is also a very good way to give back to the community by responding to some of the questions your peers have, by helping them out from solving a problem much more efficiently and effectively from whatever you have learned over time. And the most important aspect of being a part on the community would be to acknowledge the help your peers provide. I think all of us like to be told that we helped somebody. When we know that we have helped somebody, I think we feel good about it. We want to do more. I think that is the biggest contribution we can make, acknowledging help from the peers. So we've been creating a lot of avenues and channels online and offline. So for those, for the uninitiated, we've been having this question and answer session, a 5-hour or 6-hour forum-based Q&A, where we line up a team of experts. We fix or arrive at a particular topic or module where we've been having a lot of questions, where people have been raising concerns. So we assemble a team who are readily available for 5 straight hours to answer your questions on that particular module. So these are ready references for you to anytime go back and refer and learn from. And focus groups, we've been doing very specific webinars where some features have been asked for a long time, and these are coming into the product. We want to reach out to those people who came up with this request and give an early access, get more feedback, pass all those information back to the product management so that we implement it much more better the way you want it done. And we're also introducing another activity called the Daily Challenge, where there is a widget, an app that pops up a question every day on a particular product, on a particular feature or a module. So this will help you learn the products much more faster. There are a lot of features that are totally unused in the product. This exposes you to a lot of functions and features available in the products. Okay, so this is a daily challenge, and of course, you'll get a lot of points. We are also coming up with a lot of gamification on the platform. You get points, labels, levels for all your participation, but that is going to take about 2 or 3 weeks. And also other fun activities like contests, right? So you get to participate in a lot of online contests that we're going to be launching, and surveys. From time to time, we want to get your feedback and understand which are all the limitations that stop you from using some feature or a product. What is it that you like to do? These surveys help us assimilate all this information, all the feedback that you would be sharing with us. And again, we'll be able to make a lot of intelligent decisions that will help us build better products. As part of our offline activities, we are happy to let you know that we've been actively doing a lot of meetups, a lot of workshops, and also seminars. In the last 3 or 4 months, we've spread out the meetups to over 64 different cities across 13 different countries. We already have about 5,500 members as part of all these groups. So here, we want you all to help co-create this Zoho peer ecosystem, and which is why I have one important and a good announcement to make. We are happy to launch the Zoho MVP program. So what is the Zoho MVP program? It's a framework that identifies, grooms, and rewards outstanding contribution by some of the members to the community. So who are the MVPs? They are undoubtedly very passionate partners and customers who help create this ecosystem around Zoho. So what are the perks? What is in it for me? As an MVP, what is in it for you? Okay, you get to represent Zoho at different events. You could be a part of the panel in the next Zoholics. You could be presenting at our meetups. You could be a guest speaker at our seminars. You could be presenting at our webinars. You get an exclusive Click channel where all of the MVPs are connected, and you can exchange notes. And you will be one of the first few to receive early access to all our releases. And also, you will be part of the exclusive focus groups that we'll be doing from time to time. And here are our first list of MVPs, the first 5 MVPs. Michael has contributed over 5,000 posts, 5,000 conversations on the online community already. We want to see more MVPs on this line soon, and this is a program that is common for all the customers and partners. So what matters is that you need the conviction that you want to help the community, you want to be a contributor, you want to represent Zoho, and that you want to extend Zoho and be the Zoho family. So how to become one? You can visit the community website where you'll be prompted to nominate yourself. We'll send a rule book, which has about 600 pages. So yeah, it's fairly simple. There are a few simple things that you have to commit your time to, not more, trust me, but maybe 5 or 10 minutes a week. So what next? So get on board. Connect with all your peers, connect with our partners. We have an amazing team of partners that have been helping us do a lot of activities. We want to be doing more work with them to connect a lot more of you so that help is more forthcoming. You get to learn the products faster and adapt these to make your businesses better. So let's make this community more awesome, guys. So go to community.zoho.com. You will have more information. Thank you.